Gumawa tayo ng panggatong dahil tutulong tayo magluto sa kakaibang hotpot restaurant na binisita namin. Nandito nga kami ngayon sa Victoria de Makati para subukan ng Firewood Kitchen. This is not your ordinary hotpot restaurant. Kakaiba dito dahil sa kanilang unique iron hotpot concept. It's a culinary centerpiece that promises a one-of-a-kind experience. The mastermind behind this is a chef hailing from Northeast China, si Chef Mike. Dahil kumpleto ng ingredients, kumuha na si Chef ng rapeseed oil for its neutral taste, aroma, and high smoke point. For the protein, Chef chose free-range chicken for its superior texture and flavor. Then, he adds his signature magic spicy sauce for authentic Northeast China flair. Here, the chef uses a rich bone marrow soup as a base.
Bone marrow?
Bone marrow. Then, tinakpan na yung pot, allowing everything to simmer for 15 minutes. Then, naglagay na kami ng variety of ingredients sa pot, like tofu, meatballs, and noodles, to add a perfect balance of textures and colors. At ito na nga ang exciting part. Naglagay din sila ng cornbread pieces sa gilid ng pot, then tatakpan ulit to cook and absorb the flavors of the broth. After 15 minutes, ready na ang food namin. Tikiman time! Ngayon, tikman na natin. So, appetizer muna tayo. Ito muna tayo sa Century Egg. Century Egg sila. Century Egg.
Ang init.
Favorite ko talaga Century Egg. Pwede nila siyang pagka-spicy.
Ito yung...
Tapos ito daw ay beef. Ito daw, beef. Para sa beef. Tikman na natin yung soup. Ito dito namin yung lagay yung kami. Grabe.
Oo, no?
Sarap. Sabaw. Ang asim, tamis. Bukas ka talaga.
Matikman nyo na to. Matikman nyo.
One of a kind experience. Dito lang meron ganyang klase ng pagluluto ng hotpot. Luluto nyo sa malaking pot. Ang naka-fuel doon yung yung firewood. Sarap. Sama-sama yung spices.
Wala nabenta na sa...
Tapos yung meat, yung katas ng meat, sumama sa sabaw. The best. One of the best experience na try namin. So kung gusto mo ng authentic hotpot experience out of the ordinary, punta na sa Firewood Kitchen in Makati.